If you're trading without backtesting, you're basically gambling. Every pro trader you look up to, they spent hundreds of hours replaying the market. But here's the best part. You don't have to pay to use these services. FXReplay will be the website we are going to use. This is what allows us to actually backtest for free. When you come onto the website, hit try now, and then you're going to get hit with this screen. Just choose whichever option. Okay, so once you sign in with your account, you're going to get greeted with monthly or yearly. Just choose monthly. You want to hit the 5-day free trial. And then from here, proceed to checkout. Now for this spot, you can put in real or fake. It doesn't really matter. Now when you get here, choose credit card. Add your actual card. Hear me out. I'll show you right now. So one thing you have to look out for, you will be charged after the 5-day trial.
We do not care.
Once you do everything, you should be put onto this screen. Just head down, bottom left. You'll notice free trial period. So like earlier, you didn't pay right now. It was a free trial. For 5 days, you do have to make a new email or just use the second one and then just do the same process again. Right now, I am going to show you how to remove your card off the file. You want to hit account settings, come up to subscription, manage plan, FXReplay, cancel subscription.
We do not care.
And just like that, for 5 days, for which is usually a paid service, you now have unlimited trades. When I come down to a new session, name it whatever you like, how much account balance you want. I just put in like 5,000. The assets you want to trade, so I'll just put in NQ. And then if you want to have a second chart, do ES. Now for how long? We'll just do July. And just like that, you're in. So a quick tutorial on how to actually use this. But the first thing you want to do is go bottom right and then UTC4 New York. Now you're in sync with the New York timing. Next, go to custom settings, and then you want to have it like mine. So just literally remove the stars off everything except for start of New York session, and then put it to 9:15, 9:30, 9, 8:30, whatever you prefer, and then save. Now all you have to do is just hit go to New York session, and then if you look on the 1 minute time frame, it's now 9:15. In order to actually move the candles, you just hit skip one candle, and just like that, I am now replaying the morning of Thursday, July 3rd. So we can just wait till New York opens, and then you get a big rise up of almost 40 points. You can either bottom left how many contracts, so you can do 1 mini, buy and sell, show you what it looks like. So in this case, if I want to buy, you can drag your take profit, you can drag stop loss. Now if you want to set limit orders, it's a bit different. Top right, place order. So first is, do you want a short or do you want a long? In this case, I'll just do long. Then you want to choose limit on the right side. How many contracts? We'll do 1 contract. And then whatever price you want to enter at. So in this case, let's just say I want to enter right in this BISI. If you look to the right side, it is 23.17. So literally just 23.17. Save. And then I get my limit set. So you can just drag your TP, drag your stop loss, and you can just wait till it gets filled. Alright, so we'll go for a sell. Say I want to enter within this volume imbalance. Any cons, save. Take profit at this. Profit at the lows. Stops at the high. Alright, so you can see I got filled in. So just hit the candle, skip. And that's basically it. Now what you can do is just track the trades you take. In this case, I can just take a screenshot, top right, copy image. You can take this into a program of yours, whether it's Notion, and then you can collect data like this. So what I like doing is taking the trade, putting the news events for that day from Forex Factory, and then I basically break down the trade. So in this case, I had went long, I went off a breaker, MSS, 30-minute SMT, the risk to reward I took for the trade, what time I entered, what time I exited at. This will now allow you to kind of figure out what days you're the best at, what days you're the worst at, what times you enter at, what times you exit at, and it just helps you find consistency. So that's why this is such a valuable thing to do for your trading career. But that's going to be pretty much it for the video. If you have any other questions in the comments, let me know. And then yeah. Alright guys,